Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Solana, which the future of Solana is looking grim. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. You will get easy profits. You won't depend on the market if it is bearish or bullish, as we are going to take long and short positions. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So Solana, 12 USDT right here. Okay, the low was 11.54, almost approaching the 11 USDT as we talked about in the previous video. We want to see eventually if Solana can make it a little bit higher, can grow a little bit more, or it will keep correcting. Now, I want to remind you that Solana is not looking healthy, right? We had a very nice bearish pennant right here in the RSI, in which we broke down. You can see that right there, despite the fact that we had a very huge oversold situation. Look at the Solana against USDT chart, 12 USDT. Now, the case right here for Solana is that it can be going to the 8.5 to 9 USDT. I have repeated that multiple times in my videos that 9 USDT is very approachable, but we are probably not going to go there all the way without having a single pump, right? We are not going to go and crash a minus 23% without having a nice pump for like 12%, 15%, maybe even more. I feel like before we go down there, we are going to retest a little bit some higher targets. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to draw a fib from the top to the bottom, okay, because we want to find major resistance levels. Can Solana go to the 12.96 again or so? It could be the case, right? For now, we have a very huge resistance level around here, okay? This is our major resistance level that we have to face about Solana, the 12.5. If we go and close above 12.5, then we can go to the 13 USDT. Now 13 USDT is the pivot point target. What I mean by that is closing above the 13 USDT will get us all the way up to the 13.93, 14.78 and 15.63. Can Solana go all the way up to the 15.63 again? Could be the case, right? However, the case with Solana right there is that despite the fact that we might be having a nice higher high, higher low system, it won't be able to go all the way up higher, and we might be getting further down to the 10 USDT and so on. So we are going to have a pump before we go down there, but the main problem with Solana is that on the weekly scale, it will keep having the lower high, lower low pattern. Okay, so what we are going to do perhaps is something like this until we reach the 9 to 9.5. Now, Solana around here will be a great, huge investing opportunity. Okay, if we go down there, please just spend some money into accumulating Solana. What does this mean? It is that you're not going to take profits in the short term, but after a few months to few years, you're going to enter into a position where it can bring you a nice plus 10x or maybe even more. Okay, so I think that Solana is going to go further higher. I do not think that this is the end of Solana, but for the midterm, for the next 1, 2 months, maybe 3 months, things are looking a little bit grim for Solana. In the shorter time frames, we have some oversold situations going on. Okay, we have the RSI going below the 30s, but at the end of the day, this whole picture doesn't look bullish. Okay, we haven't gone yet above the 20-day moving exponential moving average. So look at that right here. It has been our resistance level for so long, and even if we go above it, we have one huge resistance level sitting now at 14, which is the 50-day exponential moving average. So we do not have a higher high, higher low pattern right here for sold, but at the end of the day, we could see some pump before we drop down further more. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.